My name is Corey, and this is my wife Michelle. I'm pilot for Malaysia Airlines, and I've been working with Malaysia Airlines for about 5 years now. I first got to know about this vehicle safety bar from Ultra Racing. Yeah, it was from the Facebook. I actually joined car clubs for the Ford Fiesta Car Club. My Fiesta is like, I like to drive it fast all the time because I'm always rushing to work, you know. So maybe it's a good idea to have a look about this safety bar from Ultra Racing, you know, just, you know, for more towards like defensive driving and for safety lah, in overall safety. Before and after was, even with stage 1, it was quite a big difference. I was able to feel immediately the moment I start the car and I start cornering. You can feel the car response is like, it's much better than it was before. Very, very, very good. Like the response of the car. And I noticed that when I'm cornering, especially at a higher speed, I don't feel like I'm out of balance. I don't feel like I need to step on the brake too much because the car is in like a very stable, yeah, it feels much better, it feels much safer. I can imagine myself if there will be an accident in front of me, and if I need to avoid the accident, it will be so much better with the safety bar, and that's what it does. Yeah, I think it's quite important now because one thing, Malaysia is raining, you know, all the time, and the roads are not that great, you know. So when it comes to safety, I think mostly for this defensive driving, like, you know, quick response, avoiding an accident and things like that, instead of getting into like multiple car accidents, it's a very good investment lah. I installed in my car and I felt so great. Then I immediately asked her to test drive my car, and she's like, and I told her, I said, just give it a corner, you know. And she went on the corner, she's like, yeah, it's much improved, you know. So she's like, I want it on my car too.
Oh, okay. That's why today you're
yeah, so I'm here, yeah, today.
Great.
I think it doesn't really matter whether the brand is called racing or not, because to me it's about the safety. So it's just like saying, oh, my aircraft, you know, safety equipment it's to do with aviation. Let's say it's an aviation fire extinguisher or something, but you can take the fire extinguisher and put it in your car and use it as a fire extinguisher as well. So it's kind of like the same thing. It doesn't matter whether it's supposed to be racing or not. It's a safety bar, and it's a safety bar. That's what it is. Younger generation like cars that are faster naturally, so it's quite important for it to be safe as well.
That's why you chose vehicle safety bar.
Definitely, yeah.
Alright.
As well, you know, she drives around in the city. I like to feel the security that she's safe as well. You know, that's the reason why I'm installing these safety bars for her as well. And yeah, because as a pilot, I feel like we have the responsibility to take care of like a lot of people. That's why in the aviation industry, safety is number 1 all the time. So in the commute to work as well, definitely I want to think about my own safety as well, so that I can arrive to the aircraft safely, you know, and safely take my passengers from point A to point B. We've already installed the vehicle safety bar. How about you?
Thank you for sharing.